Right along the roll here. There it is. There it is.
Does it have to be exact?
No, just follow the roll.
Oh.
Oh my God. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Let's be a little scruff.
A little scruffy.
Little scruff, boy. There we go.
Yeah.
You want the other side so you can get your ass on it, right? And now you're still gonna have to pull
Reed,
yourself
help!
up.
Don't just look at him.
Watch the tree, watch the cord.
I'm gonna hold
Up on the housetop. Click, click, click.
Get in there.
Richie!
Let
me see.
Alright, boys.
Oh my God, it's like not right. Oh boy, here we go.
Scared?
Position.
Otherwise it's gonna be like Tower of Terror.
Yeah.
Charles, what are we doing up here?
I don't know, but it is very tall. We are way up here. We are in the rafters. Go, Richie, go.
Get me over the top, I'm caught.
There we go.
There you go. Oh, what are you filming me for? Here we go. Ho, ho, ho. Here we go.
Red car, red suit.
Who's got a knife?
That's not a knife.
Finger.
This is a knife.
Who's Santa? Rock, paper, scissors.
Who did they come with?
It's either Rich or Brandon.
All right, we got pants. Brandon.
Oh, that'll be fine. They aren't even that big.
You're gonna be swimming, dog.
Oh, slide.
Oh, let's go.
Put the boots on.
Look at those yammies.
Put the boots.
Damn, we're gonna tuck those pants into those booties, dude.
Look at that belt. That'll like hold everything. That'll hold everything together.
Wait, but wait.
There's more. Brandon. Alright.
Yo, Brandon, you're looking
that.
sly.
Yeah, you look pretty legit.
Does everyone have a hat?
Yo, this is itchy. Yeah. You just put it on.
Decided to shoot a Christmas card, right?
So we're here at the park, and we decided to shoot a Christmas card video because we had everyone together for the actual card photo. And then we got this Santa outfit that Casey was supposed to wear, but now we have deemed that Brandon's gonna wear it because it's 3 sizes.
Alright, let's put these on. Alright, you ready? We're trying to sauce them up. Ready? We've got to give him the official Santa eyebrows. So here we go.
You know, we are in South Florida, so that's pretty normal. Instead of lashes, it's brows.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's
Yo! That's so good.
1976.
Oh my goodness. Yo, where's your scroll? Looking for you.
Your scroll, where is it?
Look at my guy over here.
What do you say, crazy cart?
Oh my God.
Secret.
Hey, get back here.
Yo, he's going like
It's my fucking my wig. So good.
Let's go, my God.
How are we gonna film
How's the
this?
moose knuckle? Dude,
We are about to mob the crap out of this place. And Brandon's sending it with TG. Cheers, Merry Christmas. And let's get it.
Come on out, come on out. Come back out, Alfie. Get on. Go. Wrong way, wrong way. Follow Santa, follow Santa. Oh!
Look where you're going, this guy.
You lost your hat, Santa. Pass it back.
Come on,
on. It was sick. You were just totally like, I'm not letting go.
I think Charlie caught it.
Oh, the whole thing. I just watched you.
Dude, I was just on the end. It was like the
So
chain just
funny.
wrapped around the wheel and just stopped the wheel, and it just went boop.
Oh my god.
Give Santa 5. Give Santa 5.
Santa! Bye-bye! Hi! Are you being good?
Santa's right there.
Good Santa!
Hold on, dog!
Oh God. Send away! Yeah, where's this baby in the back? Left! Oh my. Rich. Oh! My one job, not to crash. Thank you, girl. Yo, a hat! Nice, I like that one.
It's like great. The wing is.
All right, all aboard!
No stop.
No stop, run it over!
Watch the hat.
Get on the line! Oh my. Oh my! Hold it! Keep going! gosh! I did it! Wow. Oh my god.
Card at all times.
Ow!
Where's the naked man?
Where's the naked man?
Right here.
Great run.
Great riding, boys.
Okay, my fucking.
Great riding.
We are out here celebrating Taxi Garage festivities. Happy holidays to everyone. Thank you for supporting us this year. We've got so much more to bring to you. The year's not over. Send it with us! Whoa! Hey! Happy holidays!